Cruise News Today with Doug Parker.
Good morning. Here's your cruise news for Wednesday, March 4th. Canceling cruises and evacuating passengers. TUI Cruises, which is partially owned by Royal Caribbean Group, has canceled several sailings in the Middle East due to the war in the Persian Gulf. Now, two ships, Mein Schiff 4 in Abu Dhabi and Mein Schiff 5 in Qatar, are currently holding position as the cruise line works with authorities and security experts to monitor the situation. Now, TUI Cruises has now begun arranging flights to return more than 5,000 passengers home, though the process could take several days due to limited flight availability. The cruise line says that onboard operations are continuing as evacuation efforts move forward. MSC Cruises also announced they are canceling voyage from Dubai for the rest of the season. And Celebrity Solstice has returned to service after a major renovation. The ship relaunched from Singapore yesterday following an extensive bow-to-stern upgrade, part of Celebrity's $250 million investment in its Solstice-class ships. The renovation also introduced new entertainment and 54 additional staterooms, bringing the total ship stateroom count to just under 1,500 cabins. After completing sailings in Asia and Australia, Celebrity Solstice will head to Alaska for the summer 2026 cruising season. And Viking is expanding the fleet with new expedition ships and future ocean ship options. The cruise line announced an order for 2 new expedition vessels scheduled for delivery in 2030 and 31. The ships will join Viking Polaris and Viking Octantis and will be built in Italy. At the same time, Viking has secured options for 2 additional ocean ships expected to be delivered in 2034. The new orders are part of Viking's long-term growth plan, which already includes several ocean ships scheduled to debut now through the end of the decade. And cruise stocks were mixed Tuesday. Carnival Corporation down 2%, 28.53. Royal Caribbean up slightly, 301.31. Norwegian down 4%, 21.27. And Viking up 3.2, 76.42. If you have a lead on a story, let us know. Tips@cruiseradio.net. And have yourself a great Wednesday. I'm Doug Parker with Cruise News Today.